Comparing top air fryers. Ninja Foodi. 11-quart 7-in-1 MegaZone XL FlexBasket Air Fryer. When considering a versatile and high-capacity air fryer, the Ninja Foodi 11-quart 7-in-1 MegaZone XL FlexBasket Air Fryer stands out for its innovative design and multifunctionality. To highlight its advantages, let's compare it with two competitors available on Amazon: the Instant Vortex Plus 10-quart air fryer and the Ninja Foodi 10-quart dual-zone air fryer. Large capacity offers a 10-quart capacity suitable for preparing meals for medium to large families. Multifunctional features 7 cooking functions, including air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and rotisserie, providing versatility in meal preparation. Even Crisp technology utilizes advanced technology to ensure even cooking and a crispy finish on foods. Size. Its substantial size may require considerable counter space, which could be a limitation for smaller kitchens. Learning curve. With multiple functions and settings, new users might experience a learning curve to utilize all features effectively. Dual-zone technology. Equipped with 2 independent 5-quart baskets, allowing simultaneous cooking of different foods with varying settings. Smart finish and match cook. Features: Smart finish to synchronize the completion time of different dishes, and match cook to duplicate settings across both zones. Multiple cooking functions. Includes 6 cooking modes: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, offering culinary flexibility. Basket size limitation. The individual 5-quart baskets may be limiting when cooking larger items or batches compared to a single larger basket. Price point. As a premium appliance, it comes with a higher price tag, which may not suit all budgets. MegaZone XL FlexBasket features a unique FlexBasket system that allows for a large 11-quart cooking zone, or can be divided into 2 smaller zones with the basket divider, providing flexibility in meal preparation. 7 cooking functions. Offers 7 versatile cooking modes, including air fry, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, broil, and keep warm, catering to a wide range of recipes. User-friendly controls. Equipped with intuitive digital controls and preset programs, making it easy to achieve optimal cooking results. Space-saving design. Despite its large capacity, it maintains a compact footprint suitable for most kitchen countertops. Renewed product. Being a renewed, refurbished model, some users may have reservations about its pre-owned status, although it typically undergoes thorough inspection and testing to ensure quality. While the Instant Vortex Plus and Ninja Foodi dual-zone air fryer offer notable features, the Ninja Foodi 11-quart 7-in-1 MegaZone XL FlexBasket air fryer distinguishes itself with its innovative FlexBasket design, allowing for both large and divided cooking zones and a comprehensive set of cooking functions. For those seeking a versatile and spacious air fryer capable of accommodating various cooking needs, this model presents an excellent choice.